Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to explain how to download Microsoft certification and how to update your profile. Please open certiport.com. It will navigate to this page. In this home page, we have a button login. Here, you have to enter your username and password. After entering the password, we have to submit. Then it will navigate to this page where we need to click update button. So here I have to select security question. You can pick any question. Here I am picking first question and giving the answer Hyderabad. And the second security question, I selected the second one. You have to select these questions because these are the mandatory fields. Next, I have to set the birthday. So here I am picking some random birthday. And now email address. Don't change anything, just click submit. After submit, you have to finish it. Just to scroll down and finish it. Now, are you currently enrolled as a student? Yes. Please wait. Here you have to select 16 plus. And second question, are you currently employed? No. Please pick unemployed from this drop-down box. And now select your gender. Then again submit the form. Now your profile is updated. Now we have to go to the second tab called My Transcript. Click here. Then if you observe here, you have completed your certification under Microsoft Introduction to Programming using Java. Here is a PDF. Click on this PDF. This is your certificate. If you observe here, in this certificate, there is a verification code. First, let me download the certificate. For the downloading certificate, I'm using this icon. And the certificate got downloaded. So here is the verification code. Now I would like to check whether it is a genuine certificate or not. Open a new tab, and here I have to open verify.certiport.com. So here is a website name, verify.certiport.com. And pick the first option, credential verification. So now I have to enter code here. So the code is CPPB small p, capital P, capital B, and USHC, small u, capital H, S and C, and click verify button. See, the credential belongs to Akhil, issued by Microsoft, issue date, and the certification Introduction to Programming using Java. See, the certificate belongs to Akhil. After downloading your certificate, please check your credentials. Thank you.